Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Photoshop tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to do a one-click night to day effect. You've taken a shot here during the daytime, but you want to make it look like it was shot at night, and you don't want to go through all of the complicated curves and level adjustments and all that. Let me show you how to do it. First step, go to the bottom right here, click on that little half moon looking thing, and then underneath that, you're going to see some options. The one you want is color lookup. When you click on color lookup, it's going to load what's called a LUT, which is a lookup table. Under properties, make sure that the selection is beside 3D LUT file, and then it says load 3D LUT. I'm going to click on this little down arrow here, and then I'm just going to go down to the bottom, and I'm going to see a couple options. The one we want is called nightfromday.cube. When I do that, presto, it goes from day to night in one click. If you need to make adjustments, like for example, this is a little bit too much, I can just go ahead and click on the opacity slider here, and then I'll just pull back a little bit, and then that way it looks, you know, a little more believable, so to speak. So you can again adjust this as you see fit, but this is the one-click version, day to night. Thanks for watching.